What's up, guys? It is Thanksgiving morning. No. First of all, what time is it? It is 2:45. It is Thanksgiving afternoon. And your girl done got up and did all the things and laid back down. I said, first of all, do y'all hear that noise? Listen. If you can't hear it, it's the wind. I just checked the weather and baby, it says, feels like. And I called my brother the other day and was like, hey, are you going to Thanksgiving dinner? If so, can I ride with you? Okay, it's down the street around the corner. He just called me and said he'd probably be leaving out about, I give him like 30 minutes, right? So it's time for your girl to get on up. I don't know if I'm going to wear makeup or not today. We will see. Matter of fact, let's get up, put some music on. Get in the spirit. Get in the mood, okay? Let's go, y'all. Come on, Erica. Now, girl, you done got a knees too. Y'all, hold on. Wait a minute. Yesterday, I had on a jogging set that I haven't had on in a very long time because your girl couldn't get it past our buttocks. And I was like, ooh, we could put on a jogging suit again today because I really want to wear this jacket. I haven't had this for months. But I'm like, what I'm going to put on with it? And I was like, ooh, the jogging suit. Get it? I thought I couldn't get this one either. And able to, hold on, let me move y'all back. And went up with ease. And we got a little stretch. Say what? Girl, the movement is working. Huh? We may be everybody else. Ooh, but this one right. I don't know. This color is in like this part of the jacket. I'm gonna try them both until I come back. 7 minutes to be dressed. That's what you say? Okay. Alright. He said he's gonna call me left at the house. Child, he done left at the house. Somebody he up the street. So I guess it's gonna be this one. Because we ain't got time to go back and forth with the outfits. Yeah, y'all. Your girl look a little slim. We ain't do no specific workouts or nothing, but the girl has been walking more. I really want to just wear this jacket really, really bad. I got this from Slim & Mules for $5 at the men's section. I had to get this during the spring. Mess the ponytail up because we just did her, okay? But more casual, comfy, because we going to eat, okay? We'll get us a little bites. You gonna need no restrictions. Balances, because I got the khaki and the burgundy. So we ain't got that much time to be thinking about this. Look is coming. This is too cold not to have no sweat, so I just saw this in my rainbow travel fragrance. Let's do the gourmand orange blossom. 22 that I have right now. It's part of black in Makeup. We're gonna put on our hydrocortisone and some lip balm.